Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. If you want to remove search suggestions on Instagram, then this video is for you. Watch complete video to learn how to remove search suggestions on Instagram. In this video, I am going to show you how to do it. First of all, open Instagram app from your mobile phone. Click on search icon in the bottom. Here you can see the search suggestions. Here you can remove these suggestions. For example, I open this suggestion to remove it. Now click on three dots at top right and click on not interested. Now refresh the page. You can see the suggestions are removed. In this way you can remove more suggestions that you don't like. This is the easy and simple way to remove search suggestions on Instagram. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe our Let Me Guide channel and press bell icon to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.